What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the second video. Okay, so we are going to jump on the process of color grade these clips. You see, guys, I have so many clips, different kinds of shots. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can color grade these workspace of music video. And guys, don't forget, at the end you will check it out, the final result we did in this whole process. So remember this, guys, I'm editing this video shooted on 4K. Okay, and remember this, it was not in S-Log mode. Okay, guys, you see it is in the flat. You see, guys, this is, most people they can guess the neutral portrait, something like that, but yes, I didn't use a S-Log to shoot this music video. So guys, now I'm going to jump on color workspace. So let me just come up here on this workspace and then click here on this color. So guys, you see here we have some more different clips. So this is the close-up. Here we have some wide, we have some this and that. Okay, extreme close-up, high angle, low angle. So what I'm going to do, guys, first I'm going to create the adjustment layer. So I just want to put like a base color. Okay, just go here on this new item, adjustment layer. Let me click OK. Yes, let me try to put this adjustment layer here. So I have to move these lyrics up because I don't want to be affected by the color. Okay, maybe for example my lyrics, it is yellow. If I add color, it can becomes like brown, something like that. Okay, that's why I put it up. Okay, so now let me extend this adjustment layer, how long this music video it is. Yeah, this is a real nice. So, and what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to click on this adjustment layer, and I'm going to create like a base color. Okay, so right here, let me just come up on this basic correction. Okay, so let me just click on this adjustment layer, guys. In our clip, there is some clip which has highlight and other one has low light. So here I'm not going to use the basic color. I just want to add like a look. So then I will come to collect these light after on each clip. Okay, let me just press on this adjustment layer and let me close this basic correction. So, and here, and I'm going to import my look. Okay, so open up this creative and let me go to browse where my look it is. Okay, yeah, check it out how my look it is. So now the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to adjust something. Okay, so when I check it out for all clip, you see there is some clip which is too bright. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to adjust something. Okay, so for example, in this grace, let me just come up here on these curves. Okay, let me go here on this who versus who, and I have to select the green mixed with yellow, this one. Okay, now when I change the green, you see how it is changing. Okay, this is a really nice. Okay, yeah, this is the look I want. Okay, this is cool. And also I just want to give them thick, the strongest one. Okay, let me also just select the same setting. Now you see how it is. Yeah, this is really nice. And then about other colors like blue, so here I can just increase the saturation of this mic. Okay, and let me go to check for another clip. You see, guys, how it looks. This is pretty amazing, guys. I just only use the look. Okay, without Rec 709. Okay, about this. Okay, this is real nice. So, and then guys, what I'm going to do, this is the base color. So, and I'm going to check it out for the each clip. For example, if this clip has more bright, for example, let me find the clip which has more bright, for example like this one on the highlight, I have to click on the clip. Okay, so let me just come up here on this basic correction and I reduce, for example, the highlight. Okay, you see I reduce the highlight, and then so Let me go to find another clip, for example like this one. Okay, you see this one too, it is too bright. Okay, what I have to do, let me just reduce this highlight and the shadow too. Now you see how the things is starting to be even the black. Okay, I increase the contrast. Now you see everything, it is cool. You see guys, now the clip becomes to life. All right, so now that's what I'm going to do for whole clip, but don't adjust the lights on this adjustment layer. This adjustment layer, it is for base color. So when I remove it, you see how the clip it is. This is the base color. Even this clip, it has some highlight, so I have to use this exposure in order to reduce some things looks like this. Okay, but guys, for this base color, you see this is a pure green because I just want to mix into like a small yellow. Let me just come back here on this who versus who. Let me put it up. Yes, something, yeah, looks like this. Yeah, this is awesome. So about the skin tone, guys, I'm still on the base color. About on the skin tone, guys, here I can just increase the saturation of my, yes, something like this. Okay, maybe you can reduce, yeah, depend what the kind of the look you want. Okay, let me just add it something like this. Okay, so and then guys, here what I'm going to do, and I'm going to check for all clip. For example, even this one, it is too bright. Okay, which has some more bright, which is not looking good. I have to reduce it in this way, guys. Okay, all right, so and then let me try to hurry up. Okay, let me try to do it fast as possible. Okay, maybe my clip is looking good. So about for the whole clip, yes, this is awesome. Okay, for the color grading, so let me try to reduce this one too. That's too bright. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so now let me pray, let me see how it is. Even this one too, guys. Hey, too bright. Hey, yeah, yeah. Alright, so guys, now you have been seeing how this clip is too looks nice, man. But here too, I just want to add in this black, in the shadow, guys, I just want to add some color, maybe blue or green. Okay, just come up here on these colorways. Okay, this colorways helps you to give the mood, okay, or the look of your clip. Okay, so yeah, let me just increase the shadow, sorry. Okay, and I have to add like a blue. Let me just add like blue. You see, guys, in this, sorry, let me add like a blue. You see in this, yes, this here, even where the shadow it is. Okay, and then guys, what about the highlight? In this highlight, let me just give it like a green, yes, in order to be looks cinematic. Okay, this is really nice. Okay, the mid-tone till it goes here in the skin tone mode, guys. Okay, this is it is the base color, guys. Okay, now you see how the clip it is looking. Okay, after I add this color grading, and then guys, you have to make sure you have checked it each clip, guys. You must balance the light something like this. Okay, what I'm doing looks like this. Okay, and then now you see how my clip it is looking. So this is a real nice clip. Okay, this is a real nice simple music video. Okay, so now maybe I'm done. So now what am I going to do? Okay, and I'm going to export my music video. This is a visualizer, guys. Okay, now the next, it is time to export. Okay, so you have already checked it out everything. You have cutting. The first step we did, it is synchronize cutting the clips. Okay, and adding b-rolls, putting transition and effects, and then we just add the lyrics and the title, okay, and the credits, okay, for example the producer, the director, something low. Okay, now it is time to export. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do, my music video, it has 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, so now just come up here on this export. This is the first way you can just go on export, and or you can just come up here on file, go on export media, or you can use this shortcut Ctrl+M. Now let me just press here on it, and then you see the another window gives you here, it is the file name. Maybe let me rename it like music video. Okay, music video. So this is the location where I have to save my music. Okay, let me just save it here on the video. Okay, now let me click on save. So about this preset, guys, here you can just use it, this preset, match source adaptive high bitrate as default, or you can choose high quality 4K, because for me, guys, I'm editing the music video in 4K, right? Okay, so I have already I shot these clips in 4K. If you are using full HD, you can use this high quality. Also, if it is full HD, guys, it brings you in match source adaptive high bitrate, okay, as default. Okay, so man, when you have already done, choose this preset, and the format, guys, it is H264. That's enough. Now here they show you the estimated file size. It has like almost 2 GB. Okay, now let me just press here on export, guys. Time to exporting, guys. If you have the media encoder, yes, it is, there's another software which helps you to export your videos. It is called Adobe Media Encoder. Okay, it works with Adobe. Okay, so you can send it to media encoder and then you start to export. But for me, so you have to click here on this export. Now the final result, now the final video, you will get it where you have been saved, the file location. All right, so now this is the whole process. The music video, it is done. And guys, before we end up, let me show you the final result, how it is.
Do Tunyenye zukuri nduwa murugo.
Okay, so now you have been seeing this final result, guys. This is cool, this is simple, and this is visualized. Okay, so I just want to show you in next video how you can edit the official music video, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think, guys. Okay, in order to get some update of tutorial about editing Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects. So I love you guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.